Hello everyone, today I want to talk about iGenetics, a revolutionary company dedicated to providing support for healthier eyes. As we age, our eyes need special care and attention to maintain optimal health. This is where iGenetics comes in. iGenetics offers personalized eye care solutions using advanced genetic testing and analysis to determine a person's health needs. Their comprehensive approach helps individuals understand the risks to their eye health and provides practical insights to help them maintain better eye health. One of the key aspects that iGenetics focuses on is eye fatigue and visual fatigue. They offer a variety of products and services, such as the iGenetics Visual Fatigue Relief Device, which is designed to ease eye strain while working or spending time on the computer. This can help prevent eye problems such as blurred vision, eye strain, and headaches. Another amazing service iGenetics provides is the annual eye exam. These examinations are carried out by highly qualified and experienced doctors who will not only check for any visible eye issues, but also consider your overall eye health and well-being. iGenetics also understands the importance of early intervention. They offer genetic testing to detect any potential genetic predispositions to eye diseases such as age-related macular degeneration arm. By being proactive and identifying those at risk, individuals can take steps to prevent or slow the progression of the disease. In conclusion, iGenetics is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to support their eyes and maintain optimal health. Through advanced genetic testing, personalized care, and early intervention strategies, iGenetics helps people around the world live healthier and brighter lives.